you to the stage now. We have a couple of guys who have toured all over the place, doing festivals from here to LA. They did New York, they did Toronto. They're with the group Quiet Monkey Fight, and they performed the Odd Duck. They're good. They're good. And they perform the Odd Duck every Friday and Saturday nights, I think, at around 8 or so, right? Something like that. And there's two of them. The big group, there's usually 8 of them, but tonight there's 2 of them, Dan Finkel and Shawn Kemna. Give it up for those guys.
I'm Dan.
I'm Shawn.
And we are going to do a game called TOTEMs for you tonight. Basically, we are going to get some objects from you and use them to build characters and then see them and their world. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
So could we get 2 objects that can fit inside your pocket?
Cell phone.
Cell phone?
Penny.
Penny. Great. Cell phone.
It's a 1934 penny. It's actually, it's utterly ordinary. There's nothing special. It's slightly tarnished. On the tail side, there's a scratch across the head side. You probably have one too. I don't know. You know, there's something about this one. I don't know. You know, things, they almost have this, like, it's like you look at them and they seem just like anybody else, but really they're not. Like this penny. I picked it up off the sidewalk when I was 12. I'm a little nervous. I don't know. It kept like staying in my pocket. You know, I paid for stuff, and I never had use for the penny except to keep the penny. So I always had it, and I still have it. I'm still kind of figuring out why, but it's.
Okay, first of all, I had the first cell phone in town, okay? Because that is who I am. I'm an early adopter, okay? This is it's the original, okay? This is 1987. You can't even get them that. Okay, I had to get them specially ordered. What was really exciting about this, and the reason I always keep it with me, is not the phone itself, but, well, 2 things. It's what it represents, but it's also the ringtones. You know, when this goes off, it's so beautiful, because they don't make speakers like this anymore. The new stuff is not as good, and it's always opera. I don't know how that even happened, but now that it is, it's changed my life, because I decided that I'm gonna be an opera singer. So this phone represents my dreams and my love of music. Hey, can I give you a hand there? You look like you're having trouble.
Yes, please. Oh! Okay, I was faking. I'm sorry. There's a lot of... Wow, you're really fast.
Well, it's not that hard. No, don't strain yourself. I got you.
You're really nice. The other singers aren't as nice.
Well, the other singers were born into, like, a kind of, like, parody of hope, you know?
I don't know what that means.
But I'm okay.
Oh.
You're doing tech tonight?
Yeah. This Frank. I'm sorry. Is that? It's.
Oh, sorry.
It's just a name.
I was doing my breathing exercise.
Oh. Is that why you can lift so good?
Helps.
Yeah. Maybe I should do some breathing exercises.
You should, Frank. It'll change your life. It'll change your life, Frank.
No.
You know what?
Come on.
I'm sorry. I'm Leroy.
Oh, Leroy.
It's good to meet you. Oh, I am so excited to be taking the stage tonight. Can I tell you? So excited.
Yeah.
Other people have this stuff just drop into their lap, but me, I felt like I had to just like every time through. You don't know what conservatory was like. It was hell.
Is
You
that
know,
words?
music school. The
Oh.
first day of school, it's like I went in there and they started playing these like 4-part Bach chorales on the piano. And it's like, you know, Leroy. It's piece of music.
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
And then they you have to just like from memory, or not from memory, from like the sound, just write down the music. Who does that?
That's
and everyone around me is like, oh, no problem, I can do that.
I wouldn't be able to do that.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Frank, because you...
Especially because I didn't know they did that until
But it's absurd, right? Because if someone asked you to do it, you'd be like, that's crazy.
It is. So,
God, it's so good to meet you. Do you know the other singers are like nuts?
Oh, I
They're
know.
not like normal
I know.
people.
One literally kicked me the other day. I'm serious. It was like coffee. And he's like, cold. You know? Ridiculous. So wait, so you
No.
can't
Just who was it?
I don't feel comfortable.
Was it Raphael? It was Raphael, wasn't it?
I won't say it's
It's
not.
some bastard. You know what? I can do stuff about stuff like that.
You can stop.
I mean, I just want to say, if you give me
He's
more
kind
time-
of giving me, a lot of.
You know what,
Yeah.
Frank?
No.
Frank,
Really?
you don't worry about it, okay? I'm gonna make his life hell, okay? Because you know.
No,
Frank, you are the only friend I have here. You're the only friend I have here. Do you see this place? You see this place? This is a place where dreams come to sing, but they don't always live off, you know? Because there's this weight. There's a weight that's just like bringing people down. You know, it's just like lying on people.
Yeah, I feel it.
And
Yeah. Wow. You're
high
performing.
from it, you know?
You're really
Well,
good.
I am, you know?
You're really
Is
good.
this part of the set for tonight?
I think so.
Is this where I die?
You could. Because if the weight's off, then you could do anything. You could die or ascend, which I guess you could do after you die or before. Because there's lots of options. Because if you could not care about the chorales and just sing, who knows? You know? Right?
Frank,
Yeah.
have you heard the opera we're singing today?
Yeah, lots of times.
How about you sit over there? Just sit over there.
Okay. Just came out. Flying. But sound.
Did you hear that? Do you hear that?
Um,
It's your heart. It's your heart. Do you know what it's singing?
how about Kemna?